Good day, guys. It's Onyenjem again. Today, I want to talk about Arinta waterfall in Ekiti-State of Nigeria. Please, if this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video thumbs up after watching. Thank you. The ikogosi community in Ekiti-State is a hub of tourism. From the warm spring to Arinta waterfall is like 20 minutes by bike. We got to the destination. There was no tour guide at the entrance. We waited for some minutes looking for any tour guide that will allow us in because the entrance to the Arinta waterfall is well secured with a gate and also have some structures and a security post well fixed with cameras. After much, we noticed the gate was open. Then we waited to reach out to anybody, but still nobody. Not until my tour guide said, "Let's go inside," that the owner of this great place is his friend. So we went in. It was just 5 minutes to Arinta waterfall by foot. We trekked down to the waterfall. On our way to the waterfall, we saw one of the oldest trees that was cut down, according to my friend Babajide. We took some pictures of the trees and videos. Then we continued our journey to Arinta waterfall. Within 2 minutes from that spot, we got to the destination. Behold, here is the Arinta waterfall. The famous Arinta waterfall is located in Ipole, Ilorin. Arinta is at the flip side of the ridge where Ekiti-State waterfall also took its source. In fact, some people believe that both Ekiti-State waterfall and Arinta waterfall are the same river that flows together before splitting into two. One flowing to Ekiti-State in Osun State, while the other to Ipole, Ilorin in Ekiti-State. The waterfall has 7 layers just like Ekiti-State, but the most popular layer is the first one, which I took picture from. The water falling from Arinta is so clean that I drank from it. I noticed something unique at this waterfall, that there is every tendency there might be gold beneath or between the rocks. Just saying though. Nigeria is a blessed country. What I'm seeing in each state shows that Nigeria should have been the top 1 richest country in the world and a well-developed country. That is, if we implement what we have in this country. God help my country. Amen. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.